Hello student, I welcome you all in the online class of General Knowledge. Today I will be teaching you chapter 18, that is Knowledge Bank. Okay, here in this chapter we will know about some famous states of India and we will know what are the unique features about these states. Why are they famous? Okay, so first one is Gujarat, second one Indore, third one Mumbai, fourth one Rajasthan, fifth one Chhattisgarh and Goa. Okay. So all of you open page number 21 in your GK book. See, first we will know about Gujarat. Gujarat is referred as to the jewel of western India as it is situated in the west part of India for its culture, temples and food. Gujarat is also known for Asiatic lions, handicrafts, festivals and run of Kutch. Okay. Second city is Indore. The name of Indore is derived from the historic Indreshwar temple constructed in the Holkar times. Okay. Indore is the most developed city of Madhya Pradesh. It is rich in black soil of the Malwa Plateau. Indore has prospered into being the fourth largest center of cotton textile industry in India. It is also justly famous for its beautiful bangles. Indore can be called the food city. Now we will know about Mumbai. Mumbai is also known as Bollywood in the world as it is the largest film industry. Mumbai is also known as the film capital of India. Mumbai has the world's most expensive house valued at $1 billion. This belongs to the Ambani family. See, this is the house which belongs to the Ambani family. Now, we will know about the state of Rajasthan. Okay, Rajasthan is known for its historical hill forts, palaces. It is claimed as the best place for tourism related to palaces. Okay. Umaid Bhawan Palace. It is the largest royal palace in Rajasthan. It is also one of the largest private residences in the world. Rajasthan is known as the land of the kings because there are numerous forts and palaces, as I told you, as heritage sites here. Okay. See, next one is Chhattisgarh. It is situated in the heart of India, is endowed with a rich cultural heritage and attractive natural diversity. The state is full of ancient monuments, rare wildlife species. Rare means which is not easy to find. Okay. Carved temples, Buddhist sites, palaces, waterfalls, caves, rock paintings and hill plateaus all are found in the state of Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh means 36 forts. Okay. So it's clear why it is named as Chhattisgarh. Okay. The capital of Chhattisgarh is Raipur. It is famous for its culture. Goa is the smallest state of India. It is also known as the Pearl of the Orient and a tourist paradise. A number of people come here for their holidays. The state of Goa in India is famous for its beaches and places of worship. Tourism is its primary industry and is generally focused on the coastal areas of Goa with decreased tourist activity inland. Now we will solve the quiz. Okay, this quiz belongs to unit 1 to 3. Okay, from unit 1 to 3. Okay, see, first one. The average lifespan of an Asian elephant is from. This option will be correct. Option number C, 60 to 70 years. So mark a tick here. Second one. How many legs does a spider have? Answer will be 8. A spider has 8 legs. Okay. Third one. Which of the following animals has a strong sense of smell? Answer is dog. Okay. Fourth one. Which of the following insects has colorful wings? You have often seen this thing, that is butterfly. Yes. Fifth one. Which of the following is the largest group of animals? Answer will be reptiles. See. Sixth one. Despite being the oldest ancient wonder, the Great Pyramid of Giza is the only one that exists. Where is it? All the pyramids, most of the famous pyramids belong to the Egypt. See, option number C. 7 number, animals without a backbone is called invertebrates. Option D. Okay. Number 8. In which country is the white elephant found? Answer is Thailand. We find white elephants in Thailand. 9 number. Which country is known as the land of cakes? Answer is Scotland. Scotland is known as the land of cakes. And last one. Which plant grows in the desert? Answer is cactus. Okay. So students, revise this quiz. It will be very helpful in your examination. Thank you.